Okay guys, this is my 1994 Ford F-150. It has the 4.9 liter straight six. And I'm having a crank no start issue. When I first got the truck, the battery was dead, so I got nothing. Then I brought it home, the engine was turning over, but it wasn't catching all the way, so I had the same issue. And then the next day I had the battery on a trickle charger overnight, and the next day I had it running. I didn't buy anything, I didn't do anything, I just kept trying to turn it over, and eventually it caught. It took a couple turns of the key, but it caught. So then, in order to make that better, to make it start every time, first thing I tried to do was to replace the fender solenoid here, but that didn't end up changing anything. And then I went to check the starter down here, and when I did, I broke off one of the pieces of the solenoid. So instead of just replacing the solenoid, I replaced the whole thing. So I got the starter and I installed it, and then after that the engine turned over beautifully. I had it running, everything was good, and then it broke down on me, and I didn't know what was wrong. So I took the alternator out, got it bench tested. They said it was bad, so I got a new alternator. At first they gave me the wrong size, then I got the right size. But that's the alternator right in there. Those are my connections. I did those the best I could. And then that didn't change anything, so then I followed my spark from the plugs to the cap, the distributor cap, and when I got it, the guy told me that he had just replaced it, and that looked to be true, but I replaced the cap and the rotor anyway, just to see if that was the issue, and it wasn't. So then after that, I changed my ignition coil right there. Yeah. So I changed my ignition coil. That didn't change anything. So I'm not too sure what to do from this point. I'm at the point where I just want to send it to a shop, have someone else work on it, which I really don't want to do. I don't even know if I can afford that, but I don't know. Just to show you some of the other issues that I'm having. There's like all of these hoses that don't have homes. Over here, coming from the wire right here that's going to the ignition coil, there's this wire that comes out, has this connected piece, and then it's just cut off, and I have no clue where that's supposed to go. I took out my PCM right there. I took that out. It didn't look too good, but I ordered a new one. I'm still waiting for that to come in, because I got it for this exact vehicle with like its VIN number and all that, so I didn't have to program anything. But yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at. And then I'm sure, is this another one of those? Yeah, this is another one of those wires that just has no home. So I'm not too sure what to do with all this. I hope that I was descriptive enough to maybe, so that way one of you guys can help me out. But anything I would really appreciate. Yeah, do your thing.